Shopping for carpet usually starts with color and softness, but if you want it to last 3, 5, 10, even 15 years from now, you gotta look at the fiber. Think of your fiber as the DNA of your floor. It determines how it's gonna handle high traffic, spills, wear, and your budget. Today we're breaking down the big 5 players: nylon, polyester, Triexta, polypropylene, and wool. Let's get to it. First up is nylon. It is the athlete of the carpet fiber. Nylon is incredibly resilient because of its molecular structure. When you step on it, it bounces back. If you have a high traffic hallway or kids running around, nylon is going to be the gold standard. It's mid to high priced, but it'll last. Then you have polyester or PET. If you're on a budget but want incredible softness and color, this is it. But the real secret sauce of modern polyester is that it's solution dyed. Now, what does that mean? Most fibers are made first and then dipped in dye, like a radish, where the color is just on the outside. But solution dyed polyester is created by adding the color while the plastic is still a liquid. It's like a carrot, and the color goes all the way through the fiber. Because of this, the color is locked in and it won't fade in the sun. And since there is no open dye sites in the fiber, liquid stains can't find a place to move in. It makes polyester a champion for stain resistance, even if it doesn't have the same bounce back as nylon. Now let's talk Triexta. This is often marketed as a miracle fiber that is as tough as nylon but as stain-proof as polyester. And while it's better than a standard polyester, here's the honest truth. In the real world, it rarely matches nylon's longevity. Triexta is marketed as having elite bounce back, but homeowners typically find in high traffic areas that it doesn't hold up as well as a high quality nylon. It's a great mid-range option and the stain protection is elite, but don't expect it to perform like a 20-year nylon. And like most hybrids, it's a compromise. Next is polypropylene, or sometimes called olefin. This is the specialist, almost completely stain-proof. You can even clean some versions with bleach. Because it resists moisture and mold, it's great for basements or sunrooms, but it's not always soft and it loves to attract oils, so keep it away from kitchens or places where people walk in bare feet a lot. Finally, we have wool. This is the only natural fiber on our list and the ultimate luxury choice. Wool has a natural coating that repels dirt and is incredibly durable. It also acts as a natural insulator for your home. It is the most expensive option and requires professional care, but a high-quality wool carpet can literally last for decades. So which one wins? High traffic, go nylon or Triexta. Big spills, look for polyester or polypropylene. Budget-focused, polyester is your best friend. Pure luxury, it's wool all the way. If you can like, comment, and subscribe to this video below, we'd love to know what you think. At Floor Concepts, we take carpet education very seriously. We want to make sure that we match your lifestyle and your needs with the right carpet. Come visit us here at Floor Concepts or reach out to us at floorconcepts.com. We'd love to help you out.